Okay, so hi, and today I'm going to show you my automatic door. And so we have a door over here. If we turn it 380 degrees, we can see there's a piston on the back, 190 back. You can see there is a piston inside of the, get close to it. You can see that here there is a piston. You can see this is connected to the door. Yeah, and here's the piston way back in there. So if we open this up, take a view from the top. If we can see this from the top, I can open and show you everything inside. So there is a motor. I put this gear here on purpose, so if you want to mesh something on the side, you can. Or to turn something else, this motor can turn this gear, which will turn another gear, which will turn something else. So then, way in here, if you can see, there is one of these inside, and there's one of these piston inside, if you can see that piston. And I will take this off so you can see the whole piston. Okay, so here's the whole piston, and I don't know why, but this is like jammed. Okay, good. Just not, okay. So, if I turn this gear, I can open the door. With my hand, I will turn this gear, and it will open this door over here. So you need to see the door and the gear. So here's the door and the gear spinning together. And this is without the motor. You can see it's opening, and the door is opened all. So once you mesh this with that, that's all it can spin. I'll close it way up. And I know it might be hard for your hand to just crank all of this, but yeah, that's why I have a motor here today. And so I'm just gonna quickly put everything back on and just put this back on the top and just get it on. Get it on. Do thing. Okay, so then here we have a battery pack to turn on. If you turn it on, it will open the door, but you will also notice that if I open the door, the lights will turn off and on. Sorry, I'll just flip this back to the. Well, what if you don't know which one to turn on to make it open or close? Well, then that's what this is for. I made a list here that you can see. So if you want to open the door, you look at number open on the motor side. If it says open, then you look over here, number 1. Look on number 1 on the battery up here. You'll see it's something down or up. If you see it's down, flick your battery pack down. Then it will open your gate. Well, what if we want to turn it? What if we want to close it? Then we take the close button. Well, the close button's on number 2. We look up here, number 2 is up. You flick it up, and you close the gate. And so, that's why sometimes when you flick it by yourself, over here, when you flick it by yourself, you will notice that this light will turn on. This is hand cranking. If you hand crank it, you will turn the light on because you're creating power with your hand. And so that's how you move the piston, and that's how you move the whole contraption. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.